Cat6a slim patch cables from ShowMeCables provide an innovative solution for high-density, high-thermal demand networking. By offering a 40% reduction in size while maintaining Cat6a performance, our slim cables are easier to route, offer better airflow, and allow you to use more cables in the same space. The low-profile boot offers protection of the clip during installation and also ensures they will fit into high-density patch panels. Made from pure copper conductors and using premium 50-micron gold contacts, our space-saving cables are designed to stand up to the rigors of installation. Let's see what the difference means in the field. Here we have a standard LD5 raceway, which normally accommodates 2 to 3 Cat6a cables. However, it will fit 5 to 6 slim cables. The same thing is true with this J-hook, which normally holds 10 Cat6a cables. It can now hold 18 to 20 slim cables. Our lineup of slim Cat6a patch cables are available in 9 colors and 12 different lengths. All items are in stock and available for purchase online at ShowMeCables.com or over the phone at 888-519-9505. Orders placed by 5 p.m. are shipped the same day.